Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Excited with all the business that we've got going on for customers. We've got the best building system out there that you can look for. Whether you're building a pavilion, whether you're building a horse riding arena, whether you're building pole barns, sheds, carports, picnic areas. It's a simple system. You can figure less than $5 a square foot for everything that you're going to need to put it under roof. That's going to be all your 6x6 16-foot posts. That's going to be all your 2x6 number 2 prime yellow pine purlins. We like to use number 2 prime because we got 4 good sides. We try to use premium products for our customers. That way you're telling people about us and say, hey man, these guys are cut above everybody else out there. The good thing about our company is you can contact me anytime. I will always get back with you. I'll call you back, I'll email you. We're printed up to 50-foot clear span on our trusses. We make up to 60-foot in the agricultural. So whatever you're looking for, we keep 10s, we keep 12s, 16s and 20 lean-tos, 112 pitch that comes off the side of a building in stock. We keep 20, 24, 30s and 40s gable style trusses in stock. They all come with the overhang past the post. If you're wanting to enclose a building like a box on the ground with the insulation for the roof and the walls, you can figure less than $8 a square foot. That's 12-foot eave height down on the sides. That way you can add leans. We can go taller, whatever you're looking for in any capacity. We ship nationwide. Our trusses are nice. They're all black. All the cups are rounded. The screws are pre-drilled for your cups for your 2x6 purlins. You can keep extending the buildings later down the road. This is a simple building system. It's got very few components to it. So whatever you're doing, whether it's a tractor shed, a pole barn, whatever you're doing, we're going to have the best building system out there for you. So give me a call at 828-413-4201 or visit us at stroudsbuildingsupply.com. God bless you.